Guys, this is your boy Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. In this short tutorial, I just want to look at how you can register a Power of 2 Tron smart contract account using a mobile wallet Tron browser. And one of those browsers we have, or the wallets we can use here, we can use a TronLink Pro, we can use Tron Wallet, and also dapps Pocket. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using a TronLink Pro Tron Wallet browser, and this is the steps that we follow. So basically the steps are almost the same, even compared to other wallet browsers. So all you have to do is locate where the dapps browser is. That's where you paste the link from your sponsor. So here we locate TronLink, click on it. It opens, as you can see. So I'm using this account for illustration purposes. There's nothing in it. I'm using this other account here. I'm using this other account, and my account is already registered here. So if I'm to switch this account back, this demo account, so it opens like that. And remember, you must have some Tron on it in order to register and buy the first slot in the contract. So you try to locate the dapps browser. Now below that page, on the right hand bottom corner, you'll be able to see me. There is me, there is discover, there is markets, and there is assets. So you click on me, it opens a page like that. Click on advanced futures, you click on dapps browser. Now for a Tron wallet, the dapps browser is just in the right hand corner when you open the wallet. If I'm to go back and show you guys, if I'm to go back in the Tron wallet, the dapps browser will appear below here at the bottom of the wallet, in the left hand corner at the bottom. So you'll find that here there is asset. In the Tron wallet, you will be able to see something like a globe. That globe is the one that is the browser. So here, if we are to go back, advanced futures, dapps browser, now it brings the dapps browser here. So you paste the link here from your sponsor, and then you click the little arrow after the link. So it tries to open like that. You give it time. In most cases it has been slow. So oh shit, it is telling me. I try to refresh the page. There is a refresh button there. I don't know, the connection is not good maybe. I think it's my connection which is bad. Let us try and see. Wow, so it brings that page. Now this is where the most important part is. So this is my sponsor. Your sponsor ID will appear here. As you can see, they're telling you that if you don't have an invite code, just use this code. So now you already have a sponsor because you've copied the link from your sponsor, so it'll appear here. And here there are two options. You can register to activate the first slot, or register for free. You will just have to pay the network fee or the gas fees to connect your wallet to your account. So I wouldn't emphasize you guys to register for free. It's only $10 here in Tron. So you click on on register to activate the first slot. You click on that. So what it will do here, it will redirect you to your wallet where you'll be able to make the payment. You click on safe mode and click on continue. So it will bring that page. As you can see, this is the confirmation page. It brings the amount of TRX that is required to activate the first 2 slots, and you are activating it from your Tron wallet. As you can see, my wallet has 0 Tron. Remember, I told you it is for illustration purposes, and here they are saying that you register with upgrade. So the handling fee is just this amount of Tron. So if you've confirmed all that, you just enter your wallet password there and click on done. After clicking on done, it will automatically deduct the money from your wallet. Now I'm not going to do this because I don't have an intention of opening another account, and also in my account there is 0 Tron, so there is nothing as to why I should continue. So guys, that's how you register an account using a mobile wallet Tron browser. So I'll see you guys in another tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment. I'll be able to answer all those comments there. See you guys in another video.